Hey everybody, George and Deborah Thomas here. Today we were sitting around the house and just thought of some old fishing videos we dug up, and we want to just share some of the old times with you. We had great times fishing together, and we've been all over this country, so just sit back and get you some popcorn and enjoy yourself and watch these fish that we caught years ago.
Baby, where there's a baby, there's got to be a mama. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Like that at all. For him, we're here for the day. You know what I mean, Daddy? We're looking for him. And we're going to get him. Is that calling? Hello? What? Donnie Greg, I don't have time for you right now. No, I'm fishing. I don't have time. I'm thinking about that place. Donnie. Don't be calling me again. Hey, no, I... Take care of that situation. Dad already got off. Man. Come on, Daddy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come to me. Come up. Oh my gosh. This is Daddy. This is Daddy. Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious, Bubba. Eat a big one. Eat a big one. like to kill me. He like to kill me. How much you think this one weighs? He was fighting. He surely did. He didn't want to get on this line. No way. He hit it hard. Took it on down. Get it down here. There's more to come. Stay tuned.
What happens is those stripers come in here on these red clay points feeding. A lot of times you can pop that near nothing on top of them. Pick up a few of them. You work that near nothing, looks like a shad coming through the water. A dead shad, and they'll come up and explode on it. Makes them real mad. They blow up on that thing, sound like dynamite going off. We're riding down the lake and we see something turn over up here. I don't know what it is. I can't tell whether it's a boat or airplane or what it is. Here comes a boat over here now. We're gonna pull up on it and see what it is. Y'all sit tight. Was it just one person in there? Huh? Just one person in it? Just Bucky and me, we done rescued a airplane here that crashed in Smith Mountain Lake. Gentlemen, that boat right there, when they pulled up here a few minutes ago, the pilot was sitting up on top of the pontoons. He had a cut on his head. They live right over here across the lake, but the pilot seems to be all right. The problem was he tried to land, had his landing gear down, had his wheels down, flipped it right over. Buck and me was fishing about 10 miles from here. We saw this airplane fly right over top of us a few minutes ago. But as the plane, Buck and me then pulled it over here and tied it on the pier. We went on inside the house there, and there's talked to the pilot. He's got a few cuts and all on his head. They got a crane gonna come over here tomorrow and gonna try to lift it out and salvage it. Finally got one, buddy. After about 2 days of fishing, that thing exploded on that near nothing right over there by that log. We might be on to something here.
You was shot at where you caught the fish at, George.
Right over here in them logs. On that top of the bait right in them logs.
Right up there about 3 or 4 foot of water.
Yeah. Got there, go back out.
Nice one, George, nice one.
Oh, I need the boat too. I can't move it. Don't cut me off, man. Don't cut me off.
You want me to turn the boat?
Cut the boat. Up river, up the lake.
I got you.
Get the camera on there.
Yeah, I got the camera on.
I got him now. Cut the motor off. All I do is hold on. All I do fucking hold on.
Hold him, George.
He's coming. Cut the boat to the left. Boat to the... Oh.
I didn't think it was as big as the other one. I couldn't tell.
Some gun don't want to come up, huh? He's coming, he's coming. He's coming. Which way to go with him? Where's the net?
Give it me.
Nice fish, buddy. I got him hooked in the side. That's why he's pulling so hard. Keep careful. There he goes again. Cut the boat to the right. Bucky, I'm trying hard.
Stretching your string, ain't it, George?
Yeah, I think I ought to loosen it. He's playing out. He's a nice fish, though.
Yeah.
Nice fish, nice fish. Where's the net?
At the 8 foot. You want me to get him?
I don't think he's going in the net, Bucky.
Oh, Bucky! Oh, let's pick up, George. Can you see all of him?
Can't get him up, buddy.
Joe Edie's in the morning. Nice fish, George. Nice fish.
Striper fishing on top water, boy. Thin. I thought he would whip me. I'll walk on this end. I'll come back up here and get it.
Large one? Yeah.
Catch bass, stripers, everything on this bait, can't you?
Looks that way.
Caught a nice largemouth yesterday. Oh, a couple of them.
Got a finger there, ain't you?
Yeah. That's my banjo picking finger, too.